So now I've got my domain name and it's called onlinemusicworkshops.com. Next step for me is to create a new website. So I'm logged into my account and I'm going to select create a new site. So they've got some pretty cool features here that can help you to create a pretty good website. So I'm going to select the music category. I've tried the ADI before. It's actually pretty decent for what it does. It kind of helps you to automatically design a website for you, but I've been building websites with Wix for a while now, so I'm going to choose a template. Either option is fine. All of the real work starts within your website. So you can go around and have a look around for what's available and find something that works for you. So in my case, I'm looking to make a workshop website. Actually, being an education website, I might not need a music website, but I might need something that's more education based. Let's see. Education. Online courses. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to probably just, you can view what you're looking for, and this template looks awesome to me so far, and I'm going to select this one and just edit this site.